You get an email notification that a package has arrived at the Amazon hub in your apartment complex. You go to the Amazon hub to scan the barcode or type in the code from your cell phone. You hear a locker door clicking somewhere in the Amazon hub. You see an error message on the touchscreen to call a service number for help. What do you do now? I recently went through that at the Amazon hub in my own apartment complex. What I found out from the maintenance person passing by, that some locker doors won't open in cold weather. We pushed on all the locker doors to close them, but no matter how many times I tried my code, the locker door wouldn't open. The clicking sound reminded me of the click of death that old hard drives used to make before they died. I called the service number on the touchscreen. This is the same service number located on a sticker above the touchscreen. The service representative, Diane, asked me a series of questions. Was this an Amazon package or a third-party package? What was the email address for my Amazon order? What was my name, street address, and zip code for the Amazon order? What was the name of the Amazon hub, the name of the apartment complex, and the street address? Was the Amazon hub outdoors, and what was the weather like? For the last question, I told her that the Amazon hub was outdoors, and the current temperature was in the low 40s. Since I live in California, I was wearing a hoodie and shorts. Diane told me the code, and I typed that into the keypad. There was no clicking sound this time around, and no locker door opened. The touchscreen, however, indicated that the door was open. She told me how to find the package. From left to right of the Amazon hub, count 9 boxes. From top to bottom, count 9 boxes. The locker door was open by a tiny bit. I put my finger into the gap between locker doors, pulled open the locker door, and got my package. If I couldn't open the door, I was to press the locker door close and try the code again. That was how I got my package after the locker door refused to open. If you haven't seen my previous Amazon Hub videos, a link to the playlist is in the description below. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching.